Ginarantiya ni Senate President Tito Soto sa naging Senate interview ngayong hapon na forthwith niyang aaksyonan ang impeachment trial laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ito nga ay kung matatransmit dito sa Senado ang naturang dokumento.
Yes, I will act on it with dispatch. Definitely forthwith. As soon as the Senate receives it, I will inform the Senate and refer it to the Committee on Rules.
Giit ni Soto, hindi na rin daw kailangan pa na magkaroon ng pagtukoy sa definisyon ng salitang forthwith dahil batid na niya ang kahulugan nito. Patuloy naman din ang ginagawang paghahanda ng senador dito kung sakali man na umakyat ito sa kanilang institusyon.
Ako, personally, in the event, that's they find probable cause and there are articles of impeachment of any official that is submitted to the Senate. Because of my twice experience of being involved in any impeachment with the Senate, meron naman tayong more or less background dito. But then again, as presiding officer, I made sure that I will review the rules of court. I am being helped by a number of lawyers and at the very least 2 justices that are giving me a very good perspective.
Para naman sa schedule ng impeachment, kung matuloy man ito sa Senado, sinabi nga ng senador na kanila muna itong pag-uusapan ng maigi. Bagamat kwento niya, iminungkahi raw ni SP Pro Tempore Ping Lacson na gawing MWF ang impeachment habang TTH naman ang session dito.
If ang mangyayari, kailangan talaga tuloy pa rin ang Senate, dahil may session kami hanggang June. Hindi pwedeng pabayaan yung legislative work namin. But then, the suggestion of Senator Lacson was that we do it MWF, ang impeachment. And Tuesdays, Thursdays, ang Senate. So the Senate, if ever, we do agree, all the members agree, we need the consent of the majority of the members of the Senate. Baka maging 3 p.m. ang sessions because yun ang nakalagay sa rules namin, Tuesdays and Thursdays. 3 p.m. to Sawa. And then, ang impeachment court, based on the impeachment rules, is 2 p.m. up.
Samantala, ibinahagi naman din ni Soto na kinausap na raw niya ang kanyang mga kasamang senador na mag-aral na. Ito nga'y bilang paghahanda kung sakali na aabot ang articles of impeachment dito sa Senado. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Ann Cortas ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music News Authority.